In this video, I'm going to talk about NEURONwriter, how you can use this AI-powered SEO tool to rank your articles higher on the Google. So right now, NEURONwriter lifetime deal is back again on the app Sumo. The pricing is $99, and with this Black Friday, you can get the 10% extra discount. So the best part about the NEURONwriter, not only you are going to rank your articles higher with the helping of this AI assistant, while writing the article, you can also use this AI writer to optimize your already written content. For example, on my website, there are so many articles that are outdated. So I can just copy their URL from, and then after that I need to paste them here on this AI writer. I need to just add the query for which one I want to rank higher right now. So let me add that, and now I can select the country or the territorial location on which I want to rank my article higher. So once everything is done, in the advanced setting, if you have the writers available, you can add the writer name or the expected delivery date or some additional keywords. So once everything is done, you can simply click here on the start. Now it is going to analyze the top 10 the competitors that are already ranking for your topic. It is going to analyze all the stuff that are important ranking factor plus all the NLP keyword that should be available in your article but right now missing. So once everything is done, it is going to create a report like this. Let me open this one right now, so you can see it is showing me all these keywords that should be available in my articles. Okay, so right now some of them are with this green background, means these is right now available here, but some of them is the gray, these are missing. In the yellow color, there's quantity is a little bit overused in the article, so I need to improve all this stuff while also adding these missing keywords here. Okay, plus you can also see there are the many other aspects also available in the screens, like we have this content SEO score available. This should be around the 65 to match all the selected competitors. Top 1 ranking is have the 61, while in the top 10 has the 54. So I need to make it around the 65. The title score is really good, 75%, heading is 75%. So all this is really good here. And on the left side, we got all this stuff here. Like I want to see all the competition, so simply click here competition, and these are the top 10 articles that are ranking currently on the Google. What are their mob authority score? I can update this thing. How many their word count, on page SEO score, I can instantly update all this stuff here. So right now it is loading. Let me reload the page, and now it will show me their authority score. You can see for this domain it has the 44, 94, 44. Let me see what one has the most yet low domain authority score. So right now you can see I found it. There is the domain that has the 25 and the 16, means for this keyword ranking high is really the chances. So I need to just check out the expect, like the how many the words should be available in my article. So you can see it is around the 11,000, 16,000. So it is giving me the idea, and the heading counts, all this stuff I can analyze and make my article to complement or making to also reach this limit here, so I can rank as well. So if I go to the structure, now I will get all their outlines structure, and this makes me idea what things I need to cover in my article here. And if I go to the breakdown here, it is going to give me the breakdown, like I want to break down with the page authority. So I will select that, and now I will get here. If I select here on the domain home page, so this is the SEO aspect. If I go to the SERP layout and the features, let's see this one. So this site has the images, SERP, and this form fit. Okay, and this one has also this. So let me add, I think I need to add any of these one in my article for the listing high. Then this is the related keywords that you can also find out, and this is the search terms. It will be automatically showing to in our article. So let's back to the content editor and start writing the article. So we need to manually add this keywords here, or what we can do, we can simply use its auto insert feature. This is the auto insert feature. Simply click here, and now it is going to generate the article with its AI content writer, inserting all these keywords. Now you can see it has generated within the I think around 5 seconds, and now these are the new suggestions with this keyword is automatically inserted. So I will simply click here on the select, and now it will be the added. So before selecting that, you can actually click here on the show and see this is the form okay, right now previous, and if I click here on the accept, it is changed. So this is how basically you are going to add all these keyword terms in your article automatically with the AI. And right now you can see every time I click here on adding a new term on my article, this SEO score is also going to be improved here. So let me click here on the accept, and now you can see previously it was the 56 and right now it is 58. So that's how you are going to increase your SEO score, as well as you also need to improve your headings, your word count. Right now it is only the around 136, so sorry, 1036, something like around the 1300 words, something like. So I need to also add some more new keywords or the some sentences here, and in the end this article is going to be the around or more than 65 as content score. So in my case I have improved this article so much, now it can compete with all the other competitors on the search engine. Plus not only I can use it for my content writer, and there's also this content management system available. And if I go to this content plan, here you can add your content ideas, and from itself you can assign to your team member or expected date. And if we click here on the right, it is going to redirect us to its content writer, and we are going to follow the same process here. In the content management, we are going to see a calendrical view where on the date we can see our content ideas and their expected published date, or already on which date they have published. In the performance, we are going to see the search visibility. So basically you have to click here and connect your search console considering that domain that you want to see the performance of your basically the search visibility and the keywords performance, and after that it is going to show you all those stuff. In the team members, you can also share the NEURONwriter with your teams so they can manage your account as the sub person or the sub team member in the Neuron. So this is the platform. Plus in the content writer there are also so many extra features available that I want to talk about. For example, if the content is generated by the AI, you want to see whether it's the plagiarized or original or not. So there's the plagiarism checker available. So simply click here on the plagiarism. It will take a while to checking the content, and in the end you will know whether it's the original content or not. So right now this is the again really good features, because with the help of you are getting the idea the content it is generated authentic or not, or the searching term fulfilling, or the search engine friendly or not. Okay, so this is the NEURONwriter. Right now this is the really great tool. And if I talk about its pricing, let me go to the pricing section. For the monthly and the yearly subscriptions, it is starting from the just around the $23 for the yearly prices. But if I click here on the monthly, you can see it is the $23 monthly, or silver plan, gold plan, platinum plan. In the every plan you will get the more extra credits and the extra features unlocked here. Okay, so right now you don't have to pay the monthly or this yearly prices, because the lifetime deal is available. And let me tell you, this deal is going to be ended in this 7 days, and in around the $90 you can get the lifetime access, because you will also get the 10% extra discount. So let me go to the plans and features and see what are the features you are going to get. First of all, these are all the features you will get for the lifetime access, and these are the limits. You can add the up to the 2 domains, 25 contents analysis per month, 15,000 AI credits for the article generation, or automatically inserting the NLP terms in your article. Then sharing level is the read Chrome extension. It has also a Chrome extension available for the your Gdocs, WordPress and the Shopify. Means you can use the NEURONwriter while in your Shopify or the WordPress website as well, and there's the templates available that you can also use. Then in the tier 3 plan, you can see there are also some other features unlocked, but this is only starting from the tier 3 plan. Like we have this integration, I have talked about the search console. Then we have the content designer for the long form content. We have the plagiarism checker. We have the auto inserting term. I have showed you that all the NLP terms that is going to be automatically inserted in your content with the single click. That feature is available only the tier 3 or the higher plan. So make sure if your budget allowed, you can get is the tier 3 plan, and make sure you get it before this deals end. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit the like button. If you want more videos on the softwares these kind, then also subscribe this channel.